Hi everyone, this is Apoorva. Welcome back or welcome to Life with Apoorva. Uh, in this, I'm starting a series called Art with Apoorva, in which every day I will be making one art, and it could be related to anything like crocheting, beads, or even more functional or anything. Let's see what my mood is that day and that kind of art I will be making. So today I have decided that I will be making a granny square bag, okay, and I will be decorating it with some beads, with some pearls exactly. So I'm thinking it would be fun. Uh, yeah, so let's get started. Already made some of my granny squares. So I'm using small granny squares, 4 in the front, 4 in the back, and I'm yet to join them and add a strap to it. But these, I have used a pretty pink color, which is one of my favorite. And this is 100% cotton yarn. So I have made exactly 8 of the granny squares, which are done. It took me exactly 20-25 minutes to make one. But yeah, that's that. Let's get started with joining them, and making the strap. So I will be using a 3.5 millimeters hook, if you guys can see it, and some cotton yarn to join them. And later on, we will be making the strap out of these pearls, which I got out of the market here in the local Jaipur. Hi, so here's the update. I have crocheted and I have joined these squares. So this will be the front size. This will be the back one. Now I have to join both of these to make a bag. So I will be joining it from here, and here, and this will be open. And then we will be adding the straps. So I'm done completing the bag. I think it looks very cute. Look at this. So now we are going to take this metallic wire, and I'm going to put in some beads over inside this and make the strap out of this. Let's see how that goes. How many are too many? So I'm gonna put some oil, and let's see how that. I have cut 2 straps of the wire because I think I will be taking this as a handbag. So I think this size, the measurement looks good. So the first strap is done. I think I will be adding one more, but I'm not sure if it's required or not. Let's add one more. So I have put in the big beads over here, the small in the between, and this. I think it looks. Duh. So the bag is complete, and I'm very proud of myself. I think I love it. Look at the beets over here. They are looking amazing. I've added the big ones over here and the smaller one in the between. And look at the granny squares. It's so cute. It is so cute. I think today's episode of Art with Apoorva is a success. I hope I do something better tomorrow, and I'm really proud of it. I think this is the cutest bag that I've ever made, and yeah, so